Hello friends, if you are an LIC agent and you truly want to grow your life insurance business, then today's video is going to be extremely useful for you. As you already know, every year on September 1st, I upload a latest survey form on my website Jeevan Bima Bazaar. In my previous videos, I have shared detailed information about this form. But still, many of my fellow agents, especially those using mobile phone or tablets, often face difficulty while downloading or extracting this form. So today, I am here with a complete and simple solution of this problem. Friends, on my website, most documents are uploaded in a compressed format so that you can download them easily. But when it comes to extracting these files, some of you find it a bit confusing. That's why I thought, why not create a step-by-step video that shows you exactly how to download and extract these files in the simplest way possible. And yes, in this video I will also share some free and useful software tools that can make the process even smoother. That's why the video may be slightly longer than usual, but trust me, it will be worth your time. Now let me quickly walk you through what we were going to learn in this video. First, we will see how to desktop and laptop users can download the latest LIC survey form. Once downloaded, we will learn how to extract and start using it. The best part, once you learn this method, you won't be just able to handle the LIC survey form. You will be able to download and extract any file from Jeevan Bima Bazaar without any confusion. Next, we will see how mobile and tablet users can do this same process on their devices, step by step. I completely understand that your time is valuable. That's why I have divided this video into chapters, so you can easily jump to the part you need without wasting a single minute. But my personal recommendation is watch the video till the end, because along the way I will be sharing some useful tips and tricks that can save you time, efforts, and even prevent mistakes. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started to learn how to download and extract LIC survey form and make the most of all the resources available on Jeevan Bima Bazaar. Friends, let me also share another convention option with you. If you wish to receive the LIC survey form directly in your email, you can get it by making a small payment of ₹50. All you need to do is scan the QR code display on your screen and complete the payment. After that, please send us an email from your same email ID on which you want to receive the form. Our email ID is Ritesh LICadvisor01@gmail.com. While sending the email, kindly use the subject line regarding LIC survey. In the body of the email, please upload your payment slip and also mention your name, mobile number, branch code and agency code, and mention the transaction number of your payment. Once we receive your email, the survey form PDF will be delivered to you within 24 to 72 hours. Do remember, it is important to inform us within 24 hours of making the payment. Please note that the form will only be shared through email, not via WhatsApp or another medium. This way, you can easily get the survey form directly in your inbox without any extra effort. Let us first understand how you as a desktop or laptop user can download the latest LIC survey form in English. To begin with, open any browser of your computer. For demonstration, I am using Google Chrome. Now in Google search box, type Jeevan Bima Bazaar English and press search. Immediately in the search result, you will find the very first link of this website. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click, the home page of this website will open on your screen. Now scroll down a little. As you scroll, you will come across a heading titled Our Topics. Here, you will see several cards. The very first card is named LIC Survey Form Info. By clicking on this card, you will directly reach to the page where all information about the LIC form is presented, chapter by chapter. Currently, you will easily find this card on the home page. However, if you watching this video sometimes after its release, it is possible that this card may not appear on the home page anymore. So, let's also understand how you can find it if it does not appear under our topics. In that case, scroll up a little. You will see a heading called Choose Your Role, Access the Right Information Directly. Here, you should click on the For Insurance Agent icon. Once you click, you will be taken a page where different type of information for agents are listed in an organized way. On this page, under the 6th topic, you will find the heading LIC Survey Form. Use survey form to generate quality prospects. Click on it and you will be redirected to another page. This new page contains complete details of the survey form, arranged chapter by chapter. If you wish, you can go through all the chapters one by one, learn the tips and tricks and use them to improve your business. But if you only want to download the survey form, then click on the very first chapter titled Download PDF File to LIC Survey Form. As soon as you click, the first chapter of the survey form will open in your browser. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page. There, you will see a heading called Download LIC Survey Form. Simply click on the download button provided here. Once you do, a countdown timer of the 25 seconds will start. After the timer completes, the file will be downloaded to your computer. Next, check your download folder where all your downloaded files are stored. Here you will find a file name LIC Offline Survey Form in English 2025-2026. Since this file has been uploaded in a compressed format, you cannot use directly. You will first need to extract it. If your computer runs on Windows 10 or above, you don't need to any third-party software for extraction. Simply select the file, right-click on it, and you will see an option named Extract All. Click on it and a new window will appear. Here you will see an Extract button. Go ahead and click on it. Immediately, a new folder will appear. Double-click on this folder to open it. Inside, you will find the PDF file. Now you can print this PDF and start using it conveniently for your work. So friends, let's assume for a moment that when you right-click on the file in your desktop or laptop, you don't see the Extract All option. What should you do then? In such cases, you will need third-party software to extract the compressed file. Now, there are plenty of software available for this purpose, but most of them come with paid version. But don't worry, I want to introduce you to a tool that you can completely free of cost and in a genuine way. The name of this software is 7zip. However, before you rush to download this software, you first need to know whether your system supports 32-bit, 64-bit or 64-bit ARM64. For this, go to your Windows setting option. On the left side, click on System. Once you click, on the right side, you will see many options. Scroll all the way down and at the bottom, you will find About. Click on it. Under the Device Specification section, check the field called System File. Here you will see one of the three, 32-bit, 64-bit or 64-bit ARM64. In my case, as you can see, my system is 64-bit. Now let's download 7zip. Go to Google and simply type 7zip in the search box. The very first link will be the official website of 7zip. Click on it. Once the site opens, choose the version according to your system type. Since my system is 64-bit, I will click the download button below that version. I will click the download button below that version. You should select the one that matches your system. After the file downloads, double-click on it to install. Once the installation is done, just close the installer window. I already have 7-zip installed on my computer, so I won't install it again. But I am confident that you will be able to install it very easily. Now let's see how to actually extract a compressed file with 7-zip. I have already downloaded the survey forms compressed file from the Jeevan Bima Bazaar. I will select the file, right click on it and then click on show more options. Here you will see 7-zip in the menu. Click on it and you will get the extract file option. As soon as I click, a new window opens. I will press OK and instantly the file will be extracted into a new folder. When I open this folder, I find the PDF file of the survey form, which I can now open and use as needed. But wait, there's one more issue that may occur. What if your PDF file is not opening at all on your laptop or desktop? In most cases, the reason is simple. Your system does not have a PDF reader installed. So let's quickly learn how to install one. Once again, go to Google and type PDF reader. You will see plenty of options, but my recommendation is to go with Adobe Acrobat Reader because it's one of the oldest and most trusted company. In the search results, you will find the link Download Adobe Acrobat Reader Free PDF Viewer. Click on it. A new page will be open with a Download Acrobat Reader button. Click it. The file will download it to your system. Once it's done, go to your download folder, double-click on the file and install it. Now you are ready. From here on, you will be able to open any PDF file on your system easily. Remember this, both 7-zip and Adobe Reader need to be installed only once. After that, you can keep using them until you uninstall them from your laptop or desktop. That means you don't need to download and install them again and again. Friends, now let's understand how you can download and use the LIC survey form or any compressed file from Jeevan Bima Bazaar directly on your mobile or tablet. First, open any browser on your device. Here I am using Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Jeevan Bima Bazaar English and search. On my mobile, in the search result, shows Jeevan Bima Bazaar. Let's tap on it. As soon as you tap, the home page of Jeevan Bima Bazaar will open on your device. Now scroll down a little. You will see a heading called Our Topics. Just below this, you will find several cards. The first card is Complete Information of the Survey Form. Here, you can tap View Chapters to directly access the survey form section. But if you are watching this video much later, it's possible that this card may not appear on the home page. So what should you do in that case? Simply scroll up a little and you will find a heading Choose Your Role. Here you will see 3 topics. Tap on the first topic 1 for insurance agents. Once you tap, a new page will open, designed especially for insurance agents. This page contains a lot of useful resources to help you grow your business. Since we want the survey form, look at the 6th option here. Tap on it again. A new page will open. Here, you will find different chapters related to the survey form. If you truly want to improve your business, I recommended reading each chapter carefully and apply the knowledge. But if your only purpose is to download the survey form, then tap on the first chapter, titled Survey Form for LIC Agents. This will take you to a new post. Scroll down on this post and you will see a heading Download LIC Survey Form. Below that, you will find a card Form for LIC Agent. On the right side of this card, there is a download option. Once you tap on it, a 25-second countdown will begin. And as soon as it finishes, the file will automatically start downloading on your device. Now, where is the file saved? Go to your file manager and check the download folder. There, you will find the LIC survey form file. But remember, this file is downloaded in the compressed format, so you cannot use directly. To use it, you must extract it first. So let's learn how to extract a compressed file on mobile or laptop. For this, you will need a third-party application. Go to the Play Store and search the Z-Archiver. As you can see on my screen, the second result is Z-Archiver. Download and install it. Once installed, open the Z-Archiver app. Now go to the folder where your file was downloaded. Tap quickly on the compressed file, but don't long press. Otherwise, extract option won't appear. When you tab, you will see an option extract here. Tap on it and just like that, your file will be extracted into a new folder. Open that folder and you will find the PDF version of the survey form. Now you can open and use it easily. But if the PDF still doesn't open, that means your mobile doesn't have a PDF reader installed. To install one, again go to the Play Store and search for PDF reader. You will see many apps, but I strongly recommended installing Adobe Acrobat Reader as it is the most reliable and trusted. Once installed, you will be able to open and read any PDF file of your mobile or tablet without any problem. Friends, in this video I have explained in detail how you can download and extract the LIC survey form step by step. And yes, if you wish, you can also get this form directly on your email by making a very small contribution of just ₹50. Let me clarify one important thing here. This 50 rupee is not about making money. It is simply a way to support this channel so that I can continue creating high quality content, share well-structured knowledge, and bring you more useful resources in the future. If my only goal was to earn money, I would not have shared such detailed and free information with you. So whenever an agent supports in this way, your contribution truly means a lot to me. Dear friends, if you found this video helpful and valuable, please give it a like, share it with your fellow insurance agents, and do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Every single comment is very precious to me and it motivates me to make the next video even better for you. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel Jeevan Bima Bazaar, please hit the subscribe button now and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much my friends. See you again in the next video with another set of useful tips and guidance for your insurance career.